Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Nazir. I am from Bihar. Today's topic is my daily activity. I mean, so you can say the morning activity. Also, you can say the habit. So, before I start this video, I would like to share something with you. Please subscribe to our channel. If you subscribe to our channel, so whenever I upload any video on my YouTube channel, so you will get notification, then upcoming video you will watch and you will learn something new. So I hope everyone you can subscribe to our channel and you can connect to us and you will learn something new my video. So without wasting any more time, let's talk about today habit. So, are you ready? Yes, I'm ready to talk about it. So, first of all, I wake up around 8 a.m. today. I mean, in morning. After that, I drank some water. After drinking water, then I went to the bathroom. After finishing my morning routine, then I came out of the bathroom. Then I put some water on my face to wash my face, and after that I brushed my teeth. After brushing my teeth, I took a shower. After taking a shower, then I used towel to dry myself. Then my friend called to me. When I will leave the room for movie. So I told you just 30 minutes. Please give me 30 minutes, then I will leave the room for movie. So and I ended the call. Then after that I got ready for movie. Then I went name is Toxic because today Toxic movie came out released. So check came out the home important message on my WhatsApp. So I didn't see any important message on my WhatsApp. But so right now I'm making my video today. So I would like to say something. How is my English? So please you can comment on this video then where I made a mistake. Okay, because today is second day of 30 days English practice challenge. Okay, because yesterday I made one video, I uploaded one video, so that time I made some mistake, and second video is better than one video that I yesterday I uploaded one video. So this is my activity, daily activity, and then I will go to sleep around 11 p.m. So because that time I will feel sleepy, that's why. So this is my activity, and 6 p.m. I will upload one short video related to words and with meaning, with example. Okay, this is my daily routine, and upcoming video definitely I will share more. But today is I am feel tired because I went to outside. So already told you why I went to outside, because one thing. So it was, if you have free time, so definitely you will go to watch this movie because it was amazing movie. Toxic, everything that audience want, in a single movie. So everything is present only one single movie. So definitely you can watch this movie because I am not forcing you, but if you have free time, so you can enjoy this time, right? That's why I'm telling. So I will not make long video because everyone busy in our life, in your life. Okay, also I am busy, right? That's why. So I am making short video, and upcoming video definitely I will talk about something new, and where I made mistake this video. So definitely you can comment on this video, then I will read your comment, then I will reply your comment. I will improve my mistake where I made mistake and why I made a mistake. Definitely I will improve. Then you will see next video. Okay, improvement in myself. So I think it is enough. I talk a lot with you, right, guys? So again, I am telling, please subscribe to our channel, not my channel, also your channel. And if you subscribe to our channel, so you will connect to us and you will learn every day because I am also learner. I am also learner also. I am every day I am learning the English. I am not an expert in English because only I want to learn native is I want to learn Indian language because we are Indian. So first you need to learn Indian English language. Then after that we can learn British American English. Okay. So you will see next upcoming video. So thank you for watching this video, and also I would like to say one thing. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys.